Are you a logistics or supply chain professional looking to expand your knowledge?
You've come to the right place.
I'm Pauline.
I'm Maris.
I'm Michiel.
I'm Troy.
I've got 8 years of experience as a freight forwarder working in maritime and air freight shipping.
And we spent the past 3 years researching and building digital solutions for maritime logistics.
The School of Logistics by Dockflow helps forwarding teams perform,
Offer better services to customers.
And takes your business to the next level.
We introduce you to the biggest challenges in each part of the logistics process.
Here you will find weekly videos with practical tips and tricks, how-tos and case studies.
Only works with tank containers.
Data loggers.
Some experience in Kenya.
new technologies and solutions.
Send your driver to the warehouse.
Being able to respond to their clients.
Logistics and supply chain.
Track and trace devices.
Freight forward, how do you respond?
Or join us for a sit-down interview with experts at the top of their field.
We educate, inspire and build awareness for the new era in freight forwarding.
We believe that logistics deserves to be more attractive.
The logistic part of the job is often overlooked.
Yet, logistics and supply chain teams are crucial to any business and society.
Lots of new technologies and solutions are pushing logistics forward.
We are here to empower your team to work more efficiently and pleasantly.
So you can provide customers better service and focus on meaningful tasks.
To get the latest updates of our YouTube videos, make sure to subscribe right now.
And turn on notifications.
We can't wait to hang out with you in our next video.
Take care of business. Allee, gast.
We will talk blah blah blah.
I'm Troy.